I get speed now, boy.
Mom, I can barely see the poles.
Right here off of Parsons and Bocelli in Reading. We got this little thing happening. Oh shit, this is look, the sidewalk's right there. It's up here. And this doesn't happen. That doesn't, it's just, that's weird. It happened over there next to, I forget what it was, Ace Hardware, El Reno Lane. We got people still coming this way. We got one stuck in the road over there. But holy shit, look at that. American Self and Storage.
It's all the way down there. You can see one right after the other. And then there's this bad boy.
Whoa.
Look at the road. We all have to go to Mexico.
Yo. You guys can hang out at mine. I'm close to here. Kind of meant.
Oh.